sunny afternoon, an undergrad college canteen, a group of 4 friends, and an idea was born. As always, we were busy in our daily conversations when we were halted by a shy voice, asking us, "Didi, ye sab saaf kar do kya?" I don't know, but there was something in that voice and in those eyes which made me strike a conversation with that little kid, aged about 7 to 8 years, dressed shabbily, and I ended up asking him, "Kyo chotu, school nahi chaate ho?" For me, it was a simple question, but it was not taken very well by the kid. He paused for a while, and then while lifting the place, said, "Didi, मन तो बहुत करता है, लेकिन पेट की भूख पढ़ने की भूख पर भारी पड़ जाती है." He went by, but left a silence behind, a silence which was disturbing. We all left for our classes and tended to forget what happened during that afternoon. But that night, I could not sleep. I kept wondering, why was this happening in our country, where some of us got access to the best of education systems, while others were just dreaming about it. In fact, it was a distant dream for them. I kept questioning people around. I asked, why was the government not doing anything about it? Why his parents were not doing anything about it? Why the college authorities were not doing anything about it? With every stakeholder in question, my frustration and anxiousness just grew. I was very irritated. Lost in my thoughts, looking for a solution, I got up from my bed to grab a glass of water. And in front of me, in the mirror, I could see the solution. Yes, it was me. I asked myself, when something was bothering me so much, why can't I do something about it? Somehow, this thought actually calmed me down, and I went to sleep. But next morning, I was determined to do something. I headed to college, met my friends, and told them the conversation I had with myself during the night. A brainstorming session of 1 hour, a group of 4 friends, a laptop, the same college canteen, and an idea was born. So here it was. We thought, if we can't take the kids to the school, why not bring the school to them? So our idea was simple, executable, did not demand any monetary contribution, and most importantly, did not disturb anyone's schedule. So here it was. Every night, when we are done with our classes and the kids are done with their daily work, we'll head to the common room and organize classes for them. We spread the message in the college, and to our surprise, we were able to gather a considerable amount of volunteers. The day arrived. The common room, mats laid down, and we were waiting for our 7 new students, our very first students in our life. We should have seen the enthusiasm and the energy in them. Even after working for 3 shifts during the entire day, they were bubbling with joy to meet their teachers, or I should say, their first teachers. Right from knowing their name to making them write their first alphabet of life, it was a life-changing experience for us, not only for the kids. Days passed, and I was about to leave college. I met that kid yet again in the college canteen. He came up to me, and with the same smile and the same spark in his eyes, he told me, "Kyo Didi, jaate waqt autograph nahi lengi kya?" For me, that moment was a change. I got tears in my eyes because I could see what a simple thought has done. Many times in our life, we keep on wondering about the solution, looking out for what should be done. But the point is, the solutions are very simple, right in front of us. We keep on blaming things around, why the government is not doing this, why our state is not doing this, why our friends are doing this and that. But we never wonder why we are not doing anything about it. This small initiative by us would not have brought a big change in the kids' life, but at least gave them a start for which they had been longing for years, and most importantly, made a change in my life. So next time, if you feel that something is not right or it is bothering you, don't hold yourself from giving it a thought. You don't know where that thought might unroll and change someone's life, and most importantly, change your life. Thank you.